Now that I've set up my shortcuts over here to all the programs I use most frequently, or the websites I visit most frequently, I also want to show you how we can use bookmarks. The first thing you can do is, you can see on the top of the browser here, I've got lots of tabs open and I want to save those. And you can add them to bookmarks, but let's just see what we can do. Over here, if we click on the ellipsis over here, we click on bookmarks and we click on show bookmarks bar, click on this. What we can do now is we can click on each one of these web addresses here. Let's click on this one here. And what I can do is I can click on the secure icon here, just click on that, and I can drag it onto this toolbar now. And I've now got this, let's just do this over here. Let's click on this one, drag this down. And so I can start adding each of these, I could just click and drag each of these websites to my toolbar, and I can move these along anywhere I want to, so I can organize them. Let's just put them all down for the minute, because the point I want to illustrate is that very quickly you can run out of space in your toolbar, and you will have more than 6 or 7 websites that you want to visit to. And what we can do is we can further organize this. So these are some resources websites, and these are some maths websites. So what we can do is we can right click on the toolbar here and we can add a folder. So let's call this, click save. So now I've got a folder here called education websites. What I can do now, of course, is I can now click on each of these and drag them into my folder. So I'm going to drag them into my folder, and so I've now got all of the websites that I want to organize inside just by clicking and dragging until I've got more space on my bookmarks toolbar. And you'll notice as well that everything that I have now bookmarked has now got a little blue star next to it, illustrating the fact that it's a bookmarked website. But what else can we do? So if I open this up here now, I should be able to now add, if I click on this, add a folder inside my education website. Let's call this maths sites, click save. And now inside my education website, I've got a folder called maths sites, but I know that this cool maths game is a maths site. I want to drag that to there. And so I can now organize my websites by folders. Let's drag that into there like this. And so now we should see, we click on here, I should see three sites that I've got in here, plus these other other websites that I've got here for other resources. And so I can now organize my folders inside my web toolbar here. So I could have lots of folders along here, and inside them carefully organized and curated different websites that I wanted to go to.